Yo, we've been away from YouTube a wee while now, so we thought we'd come back with something a little bit new. This is G's E36 Compact 328i. So today we're doing a valve cover gasket, super exciting stuff, and we're going to be test fitting Team Cute kit onto it as well. Is we vlog here? We big vlog here? Hey.
Honestly, I cannot believe how fucking old this stuff is.
What a pain in the arse. And it's out.
Oh my god.
This rubber has turned into plastic. Nice. Oh, no way. Look, you got it out. Holy shit. GG.
We're getting there.
Hey. Freezing. Nice. Gasket in. Can get this back on. Get all this back on. Do we start? It'll start first time. It'll be perfect. So he's got his kit here. It's the rear bumper. It's like half bumper. So it just goes onto the original stock. The front splitter or half front bumper as well, which sits on, I believe it's SE bumper, so he's got one here as well to go on, which is nice. And then you've got the side skirts there as well, and a Musk spoiler as well. There, just need to finish off the cuts here and get to the end here, and then we can have a look, see if this lines up for it. I might need to do more of a cut a little bit further up, but we'll see. Keep on going. So that's how it's going to look. It's the half cut, so it's what you do. Literally SE bumper, trim above the vent lines and stuff, and then you're still left with the original trim, the original bumper bar as well, which is nice to keep that. And then you get this, which is going to look so sick on that. That with the side skirts, and then this rear bumper. Oh damn!
Probably should have done that while you were fucking.
Oh, it's fine.
Whatever, so I said back on.
All back on. New gasket, sealant, all cleaned up. Fresh.
Start taking it down a wee bit, not too much, but just enough so it's like staying in place.
Yeah. Nice. So that's just pretty much done. G's just finishing off the head gasket. Well, no, not head gasket.
Just the rocker cover gasket?
Rocker cover
Or
gasket.
the valve cover gasket?
Valve, yeah, valve cover
The
gasket.
valve cover gasket, dude.
Sounds American, doesn't it?
It does, rocker
Valve.
cover gasket. It's probably what we would call it.
Yeah, so that's nearly done. Last wee finishing touches. That's trimmed, just needs the centerpiece, which is already on its way that G's got. So that looks sick. Need to trim the rear. I don't know if the side skirts fit on this or not. I'm not too sure.
Oop.